morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is April 11th. We are doing Moddedkulture's Metro-Mayhem today. It is bike week from what I understand. So we did this event, I think the last year for sure. I think the last 2 years. Usually a pretty solid event. Today looks a little on the lighter side, but we're also kind of parked, I guess, farther away from everybody, so we may move spots here in a moment. But yeah, car is back together. If you didn't see the last video, you know, we got kind of in a bit of a fender bender last drift event, but we got it mostly sorted thanks to my lovely fiance. She spent all day yesterday with the come along and ratchet straps and a light pole pulling the car out for me. But yeah, no, we're just getting set up now. Hopefully get some good laps in with people today, you know, like some pros, a few other people, but yeah, it should be a good day. We're here, we're all set up. Dustin's going out doing test laps at the moment, so we should be going track hot shortly. And yeah, we'll just try and have some fun. I do have the GoPro in the car. We'll see how it holds up because it's warm today. It might overheat, so let's have some fun. Well, we got to chase Kriegel's car. He's so much faster than me, though. I don't know what else to do besides add power, but... What happened, though? Huh?
The starter wire keeps going undone.
Really?
Oh, he's out there still, okay. Huh?
Your car shut off, or
The
what?
starter trigger wire pops off.
What does it do when that happens?
Doesn't start.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Huh?
It's with all the ruckus.
Oh, you know, SR20 type shit.
It sounds like a VQ meet over here.
Oh. I got 2 less cylinders. Relax.
Yeah.
Relax.
We gonna get some laps or what?
I'm shooting oil out the fucking engine.
That means you got oil at least.
Yeah.
Where's it coming? Oh, wow. Yeah. Next to a hot turbo? Where at? Oh. Yeah, there's a hot turbo right there, too.
Do I have a vent can?
You don't have a hose you can just stick on it? I got a search.
Get a hose, stick it down there.
The other side. I got mine one.
Get it.
Getting scolded by my peers. Yeah, I know. Gosh dang it. Dripping oil out of their car. Mine's good. Yeah, slow compared to everybody else, but we're good.
mission. Fuck yeah.
All right, it has been a ton of fun so far. We've been hanging out with Gary, getting laps all day. I don't know how many clips I have of the GoPro just because I haven't been behind him yet. If we have any footage, you know, I'll post it up here. But yeah, it's been solid. We've at least made our entry back, so it's a good day so far. Been getting a lot of good laps, a lot of good people. But it is, yeah, summer's coming early, dude. It's warm, but this is fun. Just cooking up some freaking lunch, well, reheating some lunch because I had to give some laps out, so. We got a little caress action from little Gare Bear. This one was Henry, that's why it's fucked. But,
okay, whatever, dude.
Just plowing into me.
Hey, I did send you off track, but whatever.
No, it's been freaking fun though. I don't know how these tires are still hanging on. They have all the chunks in them, but they vibrate a little bit. But somehow they haven't popped yet, so we're just gonna keep sending them because we're broke boys. But the day's almost over. We got like another hour of driving. The ride-alongs have slowed down, so we'll probably just go back out and get some fun laps. Just enjoy the rest of the day. There hasn't been a ton of footage because I've been leading all these laps, and as a lead car, there's not a lot of action. I need to get a freaking mount. I want a 360 cam so bad to put on the back of the car, but it's like $400 I don't have right now, so we'll get there. But in the meantime, hopefully you guys are enjoying what I have got. deliberate fashion. They're shutting us down 30 minutes early, but it was an absolute blast today. I had a ton of fun. Me and Gary drove all freaking day. We got some laps, I think 1 or 2 with Forrest this morning. We got a couple with Austin Kriegel over there. Dude, it was a rad day, all in all. Like, no complaints. Car held up fantastically somehow. I mean, these rear tires are cooked, but I've made these Kendas last the last 3 events. So these things probably got like 60 laps on them. But yeah, no, we're just gonna start packing up, say our goodbyes, and yeah, freaking call it a day. It's the only good thing about these daytime events is like there's still time to go home and relax. You're not getting home at 11, 12, 2 a.m. So putting the street tires on, bud. Where's your
Never had those.
Oh, your tires look like mine.
They were already cooked too.
Yeah, nice and chunky. Oh, we're on the same tire, that's why.
Yeah.
Those Kendas just get chunky, I don't get it.
These had no grip today, but they had good grip on the streets.
Yeah.
They're the drive homes.
You're gonna send me the videos you got so I can put it in the video, dude.
Hell yeah.
It was super fun today for sure.
Yeah, I'm glad we just kind of drove the whole time.
Yeah, I was hoping to get just laps with whoever, but it was sick that we got to just run it back all day.
Kept going. We'll do it more soon once I have my own car.
Hell yeah, dude.
Soon. I need to just get on the grind.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we are going to end this video. It was a tremendous track day. I had a ton of fun between getting to drive a couple laps with like Forrest Wang, Austin Kriegel, and some of the other guys. It was freaking rad, but then how me and Gary just got to rip basically laps back to back all day while making some money doing it. You know, Gary's such a good dude, so it's a real treat getting to drive with him and have just finally be able to start making good friends at the track. Because I've been doing these drift events for almost 3 years now, and it's taken up until the last, you know, probably 2 months. Honestly, the last like 4 events before people actually started wanting to actively hang out and drive with me and just kind of, you know, let me into their, you know, friend groups, if you will. It's the drift community is awesome, but it is a little on the closed off side, which is fine because like I get it. You go there with your friends. You're with your friends. It's harder to make friends. Like it's easy to make acquaintances there, but it's hard to make good like actual friendships there. And that's been my goal all along because that's what I want to do. I want to do all this stuff long term. I want to be able to start competing next year. Lord willing, take that further, do all that stuff. So this event just made me really stoked on driving because the people, because the companionships, you know, even some of these ride-alongs I gave, like such cool people. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you are new to the channel, hopefully you want to hit that subscribe button. This is a few days later now. I totally forgot to film an outro, so here we are. I'm just about to have a good little cigar, got some whiskey, and we're going to edit this video up. We're going to have a good night, and yeah, if you need fab work or parts or Fuel Factory fuel, be sure to hit me up at Velocity Race Fab on Instagram or on Yahoo. And if you are local to the Mesa, Arizona area and you need fab work, anything, then of course, reach out, come by the shop, you know, we'll get you taken care of. So thanks for spending some time out of your day here with me, and do what you love, forget about the rest, and we shall see you in the next video where we get to start working on the new drift build, on the sedan replacement. So stay tuned. Peace out.